In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively integrate Google with ClickUp for a seamless productivity experience. If you're looking to boost your workflow, stay organized, and plan your tasks with precision, you'll find these steps incredibly valuable. So let's dive right in. First things first, head over to your favorite web browser and open a new tab. What we're going to do here is conduct a quick search for ClickUp. You can do this by simply typing ClickUp into the search bar and hitting enter. This will lead you to all the web results related to ClickUp, a versatile productivity tool designed to streamline your task management. Once you see the search results and can identify ClickUp's official site, go ahead and click on it. This will take you directly to ClickUp's homepage where you can access their full range of features. Now, depending on how familiar you are with ClickUp, you might already have an account. If you haven't set up one yet, just follow their easy sign-up process to get started. Now that you've reached ClickUp, it's time to navigate to the Planning section to organize your tasks. Look for an option or button labeled Planner. Clicking on this will take you to ClickUp's planning interface, which is incredibly user-friendly and allows you to visualize your pending tasks with ease. With the Planner open, the next step is to select the date for which you wish to plan or schedule a task. The calendar view should be your guide here. Simply click on the date that catches your eye or is relevant to what you need to do. This simple action opens up a scheduler for that specific date. Now comes the exciting part, creating your task. You'll see a box or field where you can type out the task you want to accomplish. Keep your task descriptions clear and concise so you know exactly what the commitment is about when the date arrives. Once you've entered your task details, don't forget to save your work. Click on the Save button and you're all set. This action securely saves your task in ClickUp, ensuring you never miss an important deadline or meeting. Plus, it feels great to tick items off your to-do list, building momentum as you go. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully merged the power of Google searching with ClickUp's task management capabilities. This integration not only helps you stay ahead of your schedule, but also enhances your overall productivity. So, whether you're planning for yourself, your team, or an entire department, ClickUp coupled with Google can be a game changer in staying organized and focused. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy planning.